In this tutorial, you will see that how you can get $300 Temu promo code. Not only this, I will show you best Temu coupon codes for existing customers in just few steps. So let's dive in. So we are in Temu. We have to close this and open Google and search for Temu promo code 2024 existing customers. Then you have to open this first website, and if you scroll down, you'll find many coupon codes of 2024, means latest coupon codes. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find coupon codes with variations like $100 off, 10% off, 50% off. So I will open this 90% off for you for this tutorial. I will open it, then it will show you get 60% to 90% off in Temu New Year deals. You have to click on this visit Temu, and here you can select the products that you want to purchase. You can also search in the search bar. So if I select this, then it will show you this pin of 100% off. You have to click on try your last chance. Here it is. Now you'll get 100% off for 3 items. Click on this get it in app, and now from here we have to select items, like click on add to cart, and I will select 2 to 3 more items. So I select these items. At the bottom side you can see now it's showing me 3 free gifts and save $180. Simply click on checkout to get 3 free. Then it will take you to this page of order confirmation where you can fill your details of your cards, and here you can see that our subtotal is $53 only and the saved we get to $19, and these 4 items are free through this coupon code. Now you can simply pay subtotals of $50 to get these 300 worth gifts that you just selected. So that's how you can get $300 Temu promo code or best Temu coupon codes for existing customers in just few steps.